What is up, nation? It is Thursday, Metcon today. You're gonna go every 5 minutes for 4 sets. So in that 5 minutes, you'll have a 400-meter run, and then from there you'll go right into 50 air squats. If you don't have 400 meters mapped out, you could go for a 90 seconds super hard run, right? You want to maintain those runs about like whatever time you're getting, whether it's 2 minutes, 145, 130 every single set. So for those 4 sets. And then also too, notes for today, right? If you cannot maintain like those 50 air squats within that 5 minutes, you cut those reps or choose either 40 or 30 reps. And then too, right, for what reason, can't leave our house, you can just go 90 seconds like in your living room or in your garage real fast. 90 second shuttle sprint, so really quick and fast for 90 seconds. Pretty nice and simple today. Warm up. Right, we're going to go into some joint static warm-up. So it's going to be 20 seconds each movement. We have some ankle circles. Coach Briggs will demo that real fast. Yep, have one leg out, rotating it back and forth. 20 seconds on one side, 20 seconds on the other, and then from there, get into those hip rotations. Knee comes up, there you go. Rotating that hip back and forth. We'll go on one side, onto the other, and then from there, get into those knee circles. So legs come close together. Hands on top of the knees, circling back and forth. After that, you'll have this leg lift hold. Be out in front, raising it up as high as you can, holding for 20 seconds. Both sides, and then after that, we'll get into a Samson stretch hold. Oh yeah. And then after that, we'll get into this nice general warm-up. Just going to go 30 seconds each movement. It's going to go some lateral step overs. Imagine you're stepping over something. Back and forth for 30 seconds. After that, you'll get into some windmills. So feet will come out apart. Good, guys. Really get into that. Rotate. Try to get your palm to the ground and then really rotate up, looking up to the ceiling or to the sky. And then after that, we'll get into these lunge with the twist. Kind of same format with the windmill. I really want to make sure I'm rotating. So when I lunge down, really reach far back. And then after that, we'll get into some ankle scoops. There you go, just like that, really shooting for that heel, down into that, toe pointed nice, and up, and then from there, just a nice good solid pigeon pose. Okay guys, drop that. If you want to add on to that, so open those hips up a little bit more, you'll go into that pigeon pose, and then if that right leg is up, you'll have that left arm shoot across that hip. There you go, opening up those hips a little bit more. And after that, we'll just get into some warm-up prep, trying to get the heart rate up. So in this, it's going to be a 4-minute EMOM. So then in this 1 minute, right, we're going to go 15 seconds of some high knees. Just get it, and then get it going. And then after that, we'll switch over to some butt kickers. And then that next 30 seconds, you just have 3 squat jumps. Pretty nice and simple. And then that next minute, you'll go into 15 seconds of mountain climbers. After that 15 seconds up, we'll pop right up into 15 seconds of jumping jacks, right? So that's that first part of that 30 seconds. And that next 30 seconds, nice, good, easy 3 broad jumps. But yeah, and then you'll repeat that just for 2 rounds, basically. That's for today.